everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you how to edit this type of photo, and I'll make a preset for you guys in this tutorial and I'll share that preset with you. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications, and you already subscribed my channel, hit the like button and share with your friends, and thank you so much for subscribed my channel. So this photo I stock image and I downloaded this one from pixels.com, and I'll provide you that download link in my video description with the photo credit. Press Ctrl or Command J for this layer or new copy of this layer of the photo, and after that go to the filter and camera filter. If you want to get the camera filter by default in your Photoshop, you have to install it manually in a CS version, and if you are the user of the CC version, that means CC Creative Cloud, you are getting this one by default in your PC or Photoshop. So after that I'll do some extraordinary colors. So at first, the primary colors and the main color in this image is green and the orange. So at first I'll go to the calibration options. So if I change the blue primary, it's just checking the changing these things, and green, this green, so this green, but the face color is not like that, so you have to change the face color. That means neutralize that things. And the green, if you change the green, it is changing according that. So here, and after that here is something, so that is the Hsl panel, all primary or secondary colors in this portion, the hue, saturation, luminance and other steps. So at first I have to change the hue of the orange. At first I'll change the hue of the orange like that, and the yellow. So fine, I'm changing these, the red as well. Okay, and green, if you change the green color will be like that, and aqua as well. Okay, this color, and blue, the green will be like this. Actually I want to make the orange and green preset, so I'm trying to make this type of preset. And this portion, okay, the aqua, and saturation of the orange I'll make it a little bit down, little bit, and luminance I'll increase. So that's good. The red, that's good. And now I'll go to the sharpening options, giving some sharpness and luminance from the noise reduction panels and color luminance like that. And the split toning, you know, the highlight color and shadow color, splitting two parts of the lights. And if I give some saturation over here, and then I'll change the hue, which color will be, it could be like this. I'll pick up color for the highlight, that is like orange type, and the hue I'll pick up the green type, so this type of green, and this type of orange or red types. So here, and from the tone curve, go to the red tone curve. It could be like this, and that's fine. And if you change it like this, okay, fine. And red and green, so it could be like this. Okay, let's see, the before image was like that, and after one you're getting like this. And from here, now I'll change the highlight a little bit and the whites a little bit, adding some contrast, adding some exposure. If you need, actually adding some textures, and the temperature I'll make it like this, and the vibrance I'll make it down like that. From the effects portion, I'll add some vignetting from the post crop vignetting. Okay, fine. And highlight, I'll make it down. Yeah, that's fine. The before and after, and I'm saving that preset for you guys, saving that settings and giving the name orange or like green and orange, whatever it is, green orange, the name of the preset will be like that, and hit the OK button. it's taking time to save. Okay, fine. And now I have another photo similar of that, so I'm just downloading and I'll apply that preset which I made a little bit earlier, and I'll show you how it works in your Photoshop. So I'm just opening up, go to the file and open up. From here I'll pick up this photo, press Ctrl or Command J, and after that go to the filter, camera filter. So if you want to get the download link of the camera filter in your CS version, please check out my video description for the manual download link. From here go to the load settings options, and I just made that preset for you guys, green and orange, and loading it up. You're getting like that, but in this case I'll have to add some contrast, that means the vibrance a little bit, and before and after you're getting the huge change of that. So from the tone curve, I'll RGB tone curve, I'll add some gamma. So you can use the gamma. So I just made it another option. If you like to add the gamma, you can use that gamma portion, and I'm saving that settings. That is the orange and green 2. That means number 2 is with gamma and number 1 is without gamma. Which one you do like, you can use that. Next image, let's see what will be the effect on the next image. So this one, press Ctrl or Command J, go to the filter, camera filter again, and from here go to the load settings options. So we'll apply two, that means at first we'll apply this one, that's good, and now we'll apply the with gamma portion, so that's fine. But in this image I need to add some whites or highlights like that, and the blacks will be like that, and the texture like that, the before and after huge change of that, and hit OK. So according to your photography lights, you have to adjust all the stuffs. It's rules to use that type of preset for you guys, or to actually two preset. One is without gamma, that means now the gamma correction, and another one is with gamma. So like soft effect or matte effect, matte or without matte, you are getting two version. So you can try it in your photographs. Comment below in my videos and how it works and how it doesn't work. So hope that you like this video and share with your friend. If you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section, and check out my video details for the preset and the resource file download link. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.